Hey there, Erica Soba bringing another marketing tip. If you're ready to incorporate video marketing into your online presence, first of all, that's awesome because that's where our online world is heading to, lots and lots of videos. But if you're going to do this, I'd encourage you to record in bulk. Set aside, block out 1 day a week, 1 day every other week, or 1 day a month if you can take that much on. Plan out exactly what it is that you're going to talk about, answer any frequently asked questions, whatever content it may be. Block it out, write it down, and start recording. Record 1 to 3 minute video segments. Anything more than that, you're going to start losing viewers. But little bite sized pieces of information that help position you as the expert. And number two, put you in a position where people can know you. They can decide whether or not they like you, and they can decide if they trust you. Um, Based on the information that you're sharing in these videos. Once you record all these videos, you'll find that it's going to be a lot easier to committing to posting every single week, every few days, or whatever your marketing strategy is for posting. I'm saying this from experience because when I first started recording videos, I struggled with being like, okay, I got to talk to my clients one-on-one, but I also have to make time to get ready for my videos and then do that all over again on every single day basis. And it was so difficult for me to commit to doing this every day. If you can commit to doing this every single day and record yourself, what is your secret, or how disciplined you must be? That's amazing. But if you're anything like me, it's such a struggle. So I found that if I commit to one particular day a week, I put it in the calendar, then I actually get to do this and show up for my audience consistently. And that is going to be key in growing your online presence and your brand. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Follow me for more marketing tips, and I'll see you in the next video.